Hello guys, welcome back. Today I would like to show you how to use Signal Private Messenger. Let's have a look. Step 1. How to send messages using Signal Private Messenger. Open Signal Private Messenger app and tap on the pen icon from the bottom right corner. Select a contact. It will then open a new chat window. Type your desired message and hit the send button. Step 2. How to send photos, videos, and other multimedia content using Signal app. On any chat window, tap on the plus icon. Here you can choose from gallery, GIF, file, contact, and location. Tap on the right option, select the file, photo, or video, and send. Step 3. How to make calls using Signal app. On any chat window, tap on the audio or video calls icon to make a call. That's it. Thank you for watching.